Hello guys, good afternoon, good afternoon. Ayan, today's vlog is magagawa ko ng sweet semi donut, pero lokaymat ang tawag dyan. So gagawa tayo ng, mayroon tayong flour. Ayan yung flour ko, 2 cups. Tapos meron akong milk powder na maliit. At meron tayong yeast. Siyempre baking powder, ayan po, at salt ang ilagay. Thank you so much for watching and God bless. Ayan. 2 cups lang ang ilalagay natin. Yan, kasi ako lang yan. Tapos 2 spoon ng milk powder. Tapos konting salt. Ayan po ilagay natin. Tapos baking powder. Yan. At syempre yung milk butter natin, 2 spoon. At syempre, i-separate natin ito namin itong ating yeast. Ayan na siya guys. Atin nang palambutin. So ayan guys, ililib ko siya hanggang 4 o'clock. Ayan, thank you so much for watching and God bless you all. Love you.